The bus was starting to look amazing on the inside, but on the outside, it still looked the same as it did 6 months ago. So it's finally time for a paint job. Meanwhile, I booked the perfect campsite 5 hours away, right on the beach. And on the inside, my dad killed it with the backsplash in the kitchen. And then we installed the beautiful curved hood vent that Colby made. With a couple more finishing touches like the office and the mattresses, the bus that we've been working on for the last half year is done. This is our new house. Kelsey, you ready to take our house to the beach?
Yeah.